Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get to the CRM and the tools on the back end of your website. Just log into Equity Elevate, click the website button, then click Go to Admin Page. Okay, after clicking on the Go to Admin button, you'll be taken to the CRM, which we call the Contact Manager. On the CRM, you'll be able to see all the leads that you currently have in the system. For example, at the top, you'll see the lead that we just captured through your website. That's where I signed up. I'll go ahead and click on that. You can see I'm online now, meaning I'm currently using your website. Here's the personal information that was entered. I can go to the listings link and I can see those listings that I've saved. I can click on Click Summary and get a summary of all the homes that I've clicked on, and I can actually see all the homes that I've clicked on. Okay, so there's quite a bit of information that's available within the CRM, and I'm not going to go through that in this video. What I will do is show you where you can get at the actual tutorial videos for the CRM. All you need to do is go up to the top here and click on Support, and then click on Video Tutorials. Within the video tutorials, there's a whole section on the CRM. I highly recommend that when you have time, that you work your way through these videos. You'll be amazed at what's included within our CRM. Okay, I'm going to go back to the CRM by clicking on the Contact Manager link at the top. And here we are right back where we started on the CRM. If you have a lead list from KV Core or any other CRM or lead vendor, you can upload that lead list into your CRM by utilizing the Upload Leads button on the left-hand side of the screen. Just click on that button and then drop the file into this area. Now let's go ahead and click the Site Editor link at the top of the page. And within this page, you have the ability to edit your personal information by clicking My Account. You can upload your photo. You can change your social networking links, which will show up at the bottom of every one of your web pages. You could add your client testimonials. You can select those areas that you specialize in terms of cities and neighborhoods. You can set up your automated voice response for your listing signs. You can print listing flyers. You can set up Facebook auto posting, which will post new listings to your Facebook business page. You can take a look at landing page tracking, where you can track any advertising that you're doing on Google AdWords or Facebook or any other online advertising. If you want help with your advertising, we have a page that shows a whole bunch of different vendors that we vetted and that we support. And then again, the last link shows how to do advertising within Facebook.